Hello all, my name is Krishnak and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, after dedicatedly working for past 4 to 5 months, along with our iNeuron team, we are happy to announce Kids Tech Neuron. Now understand guys, in iNeuron our USP is to provide the most affordable and the best tech courses. Till now we were focusing on Tech Neuron, where probably people who are in colleges, who are passed out of the college, who are professional can definitely refer to various tech courses, which we have launched with 201 courses right now in Tech Neuron. And if I talk about Kids Neuron, finally we are happy to announce that yes, with respect to tech also we can teach kids in an efficient way, in an amazing way, so that they get that specific knowledge when they are in schools and they utilize this opportunity to do something amazing in their life, right? So announcing the Kids Neuron, I will just take you through this entire platform and what all things we actually provides in Kids Neuron. So here you can see two section. One is Tech Neuron and the other one is Kids Neuron, right? I hope everybody knows about Tech Neuron. We provide many courses. Here you can actually apply filtering. You can check out all the courses that are available with respect to this. You can also add all the courses into your favorites, whichever you want to work with. And here you go with respect to Kids Neuron. Now in Kids Neuron, anybody who is more than like who is studying in fourth or fifth till 12th can definitely participate into this. And just to give some amazing experience, what we have done is that we are starting with live classes, where we will be taking up live classes with respect to all the students. And over here we have divided this into four main sections. One is beginner, sorry, three main section. One is beginner, then you have intermediate, then you have advanced, right? So in the beginner, suppose you are just in fourth or fifth standard, you want to start doing or start programming or start into this computer education, right? A computer world, I'll definitely say. So based on that, we have designed some courses over here. So all these courses will be starting from 28th Feb. The timing is also given from 3 p.m., 4 p.m., 3 p.m. to 4:30, and some more classes are in other time like 4:30 to 6, right? So again, if the person is very good, if the kid knows everything, they can also come and access the intermediate part where they can also join the live session. So this is our entire syllabus that we have created for the Kids Tech Neuron, where we are covering basic programmings, where we are covering how to build chatbots, how understand the importance of databases, try to get in hold of graphic designing and Photoshop, which is pretty much necessary. If you remember, recently even in budget, they had announced that yes, kids should do all these things like graphic designing, video animation and all, web designing, video editing with Adobe Premiere, UI designing with Figma. All these things has been included here. In the intermediate level, you have machine learning. You have machine learning for kids. I'm not saying that you have to be an expert like how we teach for the tech. No, in an animated way, in a better way, we'll try to teach kids. We'll try to show them how you should visualize your data, about natural language processing, about some of the hardwares like Raspberry Pi, Arduino, and all. So here you can see Arduino Uno. So basic things. And one more thing that what we have in this with respect to the kids also who are probably enrolling now, we are also providing them a lot of goodies where we'll provide them this kind of hardwares. A lot of things will be coming in the goodies also, uh, for the I think for the 1,000 or 2,000 enrolled. So most of the things are there. And if we go with respect to the advanced, here you can see here we focus on building Android apps, character recognition, data pre-processing, image pre-processing, getting start with cloud, you know, deep learning, OpenCV, and robotics, right? So we are also focusing on this, and probably this all sessions will be starting from March and April. Initially, we are starting with all these courses like basics of computer education, Google Dialogflow, fundamental of databases, fundamental of electronics. And similarly in intermediate, you can see some of the courses starting from April and May, right? So this is the plan, and we are really happy to announce this, because our USP is to provide the best tech courses for both kids and the senior person who are actually in colleges or a professional. So yes, just access this. Apart from that, we are also coming up with a lot of challenges with respect to kids tech also. We definitely want, you'll be See, our motto is that probably till next year, we may also have people working in iNeuron who have just passed 10th standard, and they are also earning money over here, and they are participating in some or the other thing. This is what is the entire um, focus point, USP, you can say. So definitely, if you have any kids, definitely go ahead, refer them, you know, and you can also raise any kind of demand that you specifically want. You can also join the kids live neuron classes. This also includes live classes, which is again starting from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday at this specific time, right? And there you will be seeing basic of computer education, fundamentals, programming in Python. So this will be going on sequentially so that everybody can actually provide their own 2 to 3 hour efforts with respect to learning something new, right? So guys, now suppose if you want to check out the class timing, obviously you'll be able to check it out from here, right? Now suppose over here there is something called as graphic designing with workshop. Okay, graphic design with workshop, which is between 4:30 p.m. to 6 p.m. You also want to know that what all things we are probably going to teach you. So go to that specific course, like it is basically present in the beginning, and here you will just go and click it, and there is something called as course syllabus. And once you go and check out this particular page, you will be able to see the entire course syllabus, what all things are actually present with respect to each and every sessions, right? So here you have all these things like assignment, like Premium Pro Basics, assignment 1, video editing basics. All the syllabus is there. You can definitely check it out, so that will give you a perfect idea that what all things will be covered in your specific course, which is in live. So I hope you like this particular video. My sincere request will be that share with everyone, because this is also for lifetime at just the price of 7080 rupees INR. So thank you one and all. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.